Plastic bottles and used water gallons are usually thrown away and left to become waste. Starting today, it's time to stop that habit. Because in this video, I will show you an incredible new life for plastic bottles. A simple yet remarkable discovery, something most people have never even imagined. A smart solution designed to make your everyday life easier. Prepare one used plastic water gallon, then cut off the bottom part. Make sure the cut is clean and straight, because this step is the key to the success of the tool we are about to create. An incredible invention made entirely from recycled materials. Next, you can paint the upper part of the gallon in your favorite color. In this project, I chose black. Adding color to this recycled plastic gallon makes the final tool look far more attractive, so people would never guess it's made from a used plastic bottle. For the smaller cut section, I painted it white. The combination of black and white makes the tool stand out and look far more appealing. So when people see it, they are often surprised to learn that it's made entirely from recycled materials. While waiting for the paint to dry, prepare the second material, a small wooden block. Cut the wood into 4 pieces of equal length. In this project, each piece is cut to a length of 60 centimeters. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. I'm thrilled to see that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Next, smooth the surface of the wooden blocks using sandpaper. These blocks will become an important part of the tool we're creating, so make sure the surfaces are completely smooth. A smooth surface will also make the final tool look more appealing. To make it look even more appealing, I added paint to the wooden surface. I started with black as the base coat, then applied white on top. With a black base, the white becomes brighter and more striking, making the wooden surface look far more attractive. While waiting for the paint to dry, prepare another plastic bottle. Cut the bottle in half. Next, make a hole in the bottle cap. This hole plays a very important role in how the tool functions. It will serve as an entry path from the outside into the bottle. Once something enters through this opening, the design makes it difficult to find a way back out. That's why the size and placement of the hole are crucial, ensuring the tool works effectively as intended. Add several pins or sewing needles around the edge of the hole made in the plastic bottle cap. These sharp pins play a crucial role in the tool's mechanism, helping guide movement and ensure it functions at its best. A small detail with a big impact, turning this into a smart solution that few people have ever thought of creating. Next, apply glue to the tips of the pins so they can attach securely to the plastic bottle cap. Position the pins slightly angled inward, forming a cone-like shape, making the inner opening narrower than the outer side. This arrangement is essential to ensure the tool functions effectively as intended. Next, take the top part of the plastic bottle and coat the inner walls with cooking oil. It's best to use used oil that was previously used for frying fish or meat, as its aroma helps the tool function more effectively. Make sure the entire inner surface is evenly coated with oil. Next, place the bait, such as bread, fish, or other materials, into the bottom part of the bottle. Then, reconnect the top and bottom parts of the plastic bottle. To ensure a secure fit, use tape or another adhesive so there are no gaps that could interfere with the tool's function. Make sure the connection is tight and stable for optimal performance. Now, this simple tool is ready to use. Its working principle is quite unique. Once something enters the recycled plastic bottle, the one-way system makes it difficult to exit. The bottle cap has been modified into a cone-shaped structure, allowing easy entry while restricting movement in the opposite direction. In addition, the inner walls of the upper section are coated with oil, creating a slippery surface that is hard to climb. This tool can be placed around the house, with the bait adjusted as needed. It can also be positioned upright to improve its effectiveness. The combination of a one-way design and slippery inner walls allows this tool to work efficiently, even though it's made entirely from recycled materials. Once the paint on the wooden surfaces has dried, attach the wood to the sides of the prepared gallon. Position the gallon upside down, then secure it to the wood using screws or bolts. These wooden pieces act as supports, so make sure each one is firmly in place and spaced precisely to align with the others. With proper installation, the final result will look much neater and more impressive. Next, make a hole in the center of the small gallon piece. This hole will serve as a handle, making the tool easier and more comfortable to use. Look, this simple tool made entirely from recycled materials is now complete. Around the house, we often see piles of waste that can become a problem and make the environment less pleasant. With this tool, we can organize waste neatly, keeping our home cleaner and safer. This trash container can be placed outdoors. Positioning the gallon upside down is very practical, as the bottom remains open. When it rains, water won't accumulate and can flow out freely, keeping the contents dry and odor-free. Moreover, by using materials that would normally be discarded, combined with creativity and a bit of knowledge, we can transform them into something useful and visually appealing. Small details, like wooden supports, colorful paint, and precise assembly, make the final result look professional and attractive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe. There are many more creative ideas to come, so share this video with friends or family. Who knows, it might inspire them as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.